I'm RJ Gottlieb. I've been the driver of Big Red Camaro since 1987. Big Red is the fastest 69 Camaro in the world. With 2,000 horsepower, this beast is ready to dominate the road.
After a successful day of practice runs, Big Red ran into a problem.
We did a total of 5 runs, and we were about to do the 6th run on the second half of the day. And the car worked all the way up to the starting line, but then right as I was about to start, the clutch went out.
Dave, no clutch.
To fix the clutch, the crew will have to do a quick swap in the field if Big Red is to be race ready again tomorrow.
How long does it take to change the throw off?
What we need is just a line.
So you're going to do it tonight?
You still got to pull the trans out.
Well, that's right.
You get throw burn.
And that's going to take.
With Big Red riding a flatbed back to the pits, RJ is left stranded at the starting line.
I found myself in a driving suit and a helmet and no ride. So one of the fellow competitors who happened to be in a Camaro said, "Hey, RJ, why don't you come with me?" And I thought, hey, that'd be great. Hey, man, my car broke down. Are you sure you don't mind? Are you sure? Because I don't want to slow. I don't want to ruin your time. It was very frightening. It's very hard to be a passenger in these type of cars, in these events. You're not in control. You don't have the wheel. You don't have the brake. I think he was pushing it a little bit harder because I was in the car. So I said, just take it easy. Kind of gave me a funny look, like he thought I was joking or something. Chalk it up as a new experience for me, being a passenger.
Back at the pit, Dave and Tim have discovered the problem.
Looks like the roll bearing popped a O-ring out of it and lost all the fluid. And now that we have it apart, it looks like the clutch cover has a problem too. So we're going to pull the belt housing and the whole clutch assembly out and probably end up replacing it and put everything back together so we're ready for tomorrow.
As I did these runs, I knew I was getting faster, but I couldn't really track how much faster. What kind of time was it?
I have no idea.
Can we get some time so I know what I'm doing?
We don't divulge time because the timing people, we have a guy at the bottom and the guy at the top. They've got a computer. They don't really know what they're really busy doing timing. Cars are crossing the finish line. Cars are starting. There's cars on the road. They're focused on all that. They're not going to stop and be like, oh, that guy ran of this and this guy ran of this. There's really no time during the day to do that. At the end, when we finish running, yeah, here we go. There's your time.
There was enough for me to deal with figuring out oversteer, understeer, how we wanted to balance the car. But it would have been nice to have that feedback at the time. I had the feeling I was going faster, so it wasn't too much of a problem.
At the end of the first day, preliminary results are posted in the hotel lobby.
What's going on? How you doing? Oh, the times. Oh, my God. Yeah, these guys are going fast. So 3:14, 3:19, 3:23, 3:24, 3:33, 3:33, 3:34. Am I in the club? 3:37.
337, that's awesome.
All right. Congratulations.
He's never seen this hill before. And so he must be incredibly comfortable in that car. He knows that car. That car is a part of him. To go up there the first time ever and run a couple of passes and then run the fast time that he did is really very, very impressive.
Want more adrenaline-fueled action? Then hit the like, follow, and subscribe button. Well, come join us for heart-pounding thrills and high-speed excitement.